We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 8.5 by 24 foot white enclosed trailer with a 9-foot interior height. Up front, you have your ATP Stoneguard, your jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as the Breakaway system. This does have a white screwed exterior with Stoneguard along the bottom portion of the trailer as well. This does have two Greaseable axles. They are 5,200 pound axles, 15-inch wheels and tires. Coming around the back, we do have a spring-assisted rear loading ramp. Trailer comes with LED drive lights. This does have heavy-duty plywood for the interior and the floors. Has a 9-foot interior height with a dome light. You have your light switch for said dome light right next to your passenger entry door. This trailer does have D-rings built into the floor. There are 2 at the front of the trailer and then 2 back at the rear. This does come with 2 built-in wall vents. Here's the outside of your passenger entry door. As you can see, it does have the bar lock as well as the RV lock. Once again, this is going to be an 8.5 by 24 foot white enclosed trailer with a 9-foot interior height. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.